So today we are going to review the Ninja Twist. The blender.
The blender. Oh, you know about me.
So thank you for joining us today at the Natural Lifestyle Show. I'm Angel.
And I'm Billy.
And as promised, I am going to review, along with my husband here,
Hey.
this blender called the Ninja Twist. And the reason why we ended up buying this blender is because our Vitamix here had to go be shipped off to be repaired.
Yep.
So we said, what are we going to do? So we went to Walmart and we looked around.
And then all of a sudden, a light came down and shined upon this box, and Angel says, "This is it."
So this has some really cool features. And you know, our daughter, she actually prefers to use this blender because she really likes a thick smoothie. And you can depend on this to have a thick smoothie.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So let's just tell you the features here. It has kind of a small container. So we can make 2 smoothies in the Vitamix, whereas we can make 1 in this. But you know, that's not really a problem. And then tell them about this that comes with it.
So this here is an extra jar, I would call it, a container.
Like a travel container.
Like a travel container. It's great for when you're going down the road. It fits right in the cup holder. You got a little flip tab, so when you're in traffic, you flip it back down so it don't spill all over you.
Yeah.
I mean, we love drinking our mason jars, but if you're traveling and you're in heavy traffic, this right here is the way to go.
And if it falls, if it tumbles down,
It's still in place.
So this kind of reminds me a little bit of the Blendtec, because with the Blendtec you have the buttons and the screen here. So the first button is called drinkable. The third one is called spoonable. And so as we stated earlier, our daughter likes the thick smoothie, so hence the spoonable setting there. And I always use spoonable myself, but I make it go 3 times when I have seeds in it. Now, if you don't have seeds in it, you can let it go once or 1.5 or 2 times.
Okay.
But
It's good to know.
or maybe even once. It's up to you how you want it.
The thing about it, everybody likes different textures.
That's true. That's true. But it's really cool because the tamper is actually built in. With the Vitamix, you have the tamper that you push in with other blenders. This has the tamper inside. So you line it up, you have to have the red button there, and it clicks. Let me set it down here. It clicks in place, then it clicks again. You put it in the grooves, you click it like this, and then you can press the button. So it's got a lot of safety features.
Okay.
And it's also got a suction cup on the bottom, so
it doesn't move.
Yeah.
It's stationary.
Also, it's got this flip top on the top in case, like, let's say you decide, hey, I want chocolate or something. You pour in some syrup or whatever you want.
Or maybe even some a little bit of herb or like
supplement, a healthy supplement. Yeah. So that's a really cool feature. So, you know, if you forget something or if you just like to add it that way.
Yeah.
So yeah, we actually would really highly recommend the Ninja Twist.
2 thumbs up.
I mean, it's lasted a long time. We've had it for about 6 months probably. It's given us no trouble whatsoever. We really like it. We really recommend it. And it's great for smoothies. And I would say, I have not made banana ice cream in it, but I would say that it might not make really thick banana ice cream, but I am thinking it would make a kind of a thinner, spoonable smoothie consistency.
Yeah.
So what's that at Wendy's? The Frosty? I think
Frosty.
I think it would make a really good, at least a really good Frosty consistency of banana ice cream. Or any sorbet, you can make, you know, sorbet like that.
Good ideas there.
Yeah, so I mean, I think it would be good for any sauce or anything like that, and so I give it a thumbs up for sure. 2 thumbs up. That's 4 thumbs up right here.
Yeah, right here. You heard it first here.
So we hope you found this review very helpful. We paid about $100 for it, and you know, that is a really good price for a really dependable blender that will do the job.
Definitely, definitely. I totally agree with that.
So we will have the link down below to our store where we have this product featured. So we thank you for your support to buy this Ninja Twist through our store. It helps us to continue to make these videos.
Yes, it does.
And we love to help you guys, and we love to share our knowledge and our experiences with you.
Yeah, you know, and I love it because anything we find flaw or just didn't work right, you guys don't have to go and spend that money to find the same thing we already know.
Exactly.
And then the good thing is, when it comes out good, you see this video and we tell you how good it is.
Yeah. So I mean, really, there's nothing I have negative to say about the Ninja Twist. It's
I don't
really
either,
not.
and I'm real particular about how I like my smoothies, and I'm highly pleased with it.
Yeah. So if this is what you're looking for, go grab one.
Yep. Grab two.
Yeah.
One for you, one for a friend.
So you have a great day, and God bless you.
God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.